India's latest GST reforms are giving a strong boost to MSMEs. By cutting tax rates across key sectors, the government has lowered costs, expanded demand, and opened up more jobs, especially for women, rural entrepreneurs, and workers in the informal sector. Automobiles, including two-wheelers and small cars, now attract just 18% GST instead of 28%, while tractors are down to 5%. Directly helping small players in auto parts and transport services. In food and dairy, processed foods and dry fruits are either taxed at 5% or exempt, allowing small processors, cooperatives and women-led enterprises to grow. Labor-intensive industries such as textiles and leather now see GST slashed to 5%, making garments and materials more affordable. Construction has also become cheaper, with cement down to 18% and building materials like bricks and marble at just 5%. Even sectors like handicrafts, toys and packaging will benefit, with GST being cut to 5%. This will give artisans and eco-friendly businesses a welcome lift. Altogether, these reforms make goods more affordable, strengthen MSMEs and prepare India for a more self-reliant and globally competitive future.